Hi, this is Nick. Welcome to ISG, where we talk all things real estate in the Czech Republic. Today we're going to do our review for February 2023. Prague real estate prices rose for a second consecutive month, this time by 0.6% for the month of February. Prices across the country were down a little bit overall. Karlovy Vary was the big winner with an increase in prices by 3.5%, and the big loser was Olomouc with prices down 4.3%. Now, neither of these are a particularly large surprise. Karlovy Vary saw quite a lot of people selling off last year and prices got very competitive down there. And this is the second month we've seen prices go up, and there's quite a good trend there. In Olomouc, we saw that prices had risen for really no major reason in last year, and it was always the one that was upsetting the trend. And now it seems to be following that trend and heading back down again. Mortgage interest rates are still at 6.37%. There's been no real change there overall in the last few months. It's very steady. I still think there's more chance of interest rates going up than there are going down in the near future, as inflation is still nowhere near under control. Actually rose again last month and is now sitting at 17.5% year on year, which is just incredibly high. And I think that raising interest rates is going to be the only way around getting that to come back down again. Rents in Prague dropped 0.5% for the month of February. Overall, the trend has been pretty much flat for the last 6 months now. Across the country, rents rose around about 1%. We've started to see that energy prices are dropping a little bit, and this mixed with the still very high interest rates probably is a good catalyst for rents to increase in the future across the whole country, Prague included. So let's watch out to see what happens. There's not too much in the way of news from last month. However, there was another interesting article in Prague Morning, and you can find a link in the description. There's a lot of interesting statistics in there. It talks about there being 50% less transactions in real estate in 2022 compared with 2021. It also highlights an 82% drop in mortgages in December 2022 versus December 2021, although bear in mind that December 2021 was probably the peak. And it also highlights the fact that there was 54% growth in the Czech Republic in house prices across the 3 previous years versus 24% across the whole of the EU. So we can see here that the news has been generally quite bad for the last year, which we've covered quite a lot. But we can also see that there's maybe a little bit further to go in terms of prices coming down across the Czech Republic. So let's stay focused on that, and we'll see how it develops in the following months. Thanks for watching. See you soon.